Let's go through some simple things to get cleaner work. Microfiber for cleaning means zero lint. Fill every single hole. I like using foam. Blow yourself off before entering the booth. Most dirt comes off of you. I keep a tack rag in my hand the entire time. I constantly tack everything off. Blowing parts off and tacking them on every surface you plan to spray. Don't get lazy with the inside of a panel. If it's painted, tack it. Static guns will remove static and keep dust and dirt from being attracted to your work. These are so simple to use and cut polishing time down by hours every single week. Strain your paint. I promise it makes quite a big difference.